There's a central pneumatic 1/3 horsepower air compressor. Holds 3 gallons. Maximum is 100 psi. Actually, it's very small, but it works pretty good. Airing up bike tires. Car tire takes a little bit of time, but it works fine. I've had this about 3 years. It seems to work great, no problems at all. Only thing I could find out is that it has one of the glasses here cracked on one of the gauges. It's very noisy. You can adjust the airflow here. You hook your air hose through over here. I don't know if you can see that. Pops in. It's a quick connect fitting on here. Seems to run pretty good. It has a fuse right here. If you blow a fuse, it's on and off switch. I'm going to turn it on and let it run a while. It's pretty noisy. Here we go. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty noisy. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes for it to get up to 100 pounds psi. But as you can see, it's about 70 pounds now. And let's see. Puts out 100 psi maximum. 120 volts, 2.6 amps. Takes a 1/4 inch nipple your air hose fits in. And it keeps a constant 1.0 CFM at 90 psi. It has 0.6 CFM. It's actually a pretty nice little air compressor. Thanks for watching.